George, the Vicar General and the Director of Education, Patna Archdiocese, the chief guest of today's graduation cum farewell ceremony, Reverend Father Jesu Raj, the Vice Principal, Crane Memorial High School, Gaya, Reverend Father Jacob Thakur, the Secretary cum Press in Charge, Crane School, Sherghati, Honorable Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Pratibha Sinha, hard-working teachers, and all my dear friends. A very pleasant good morning to one and all. Today, on behalf of entire Crane family, I, Zikra Fatima of Class 10C, extend a warm welcome to each one of you who has joined us on the special occasion of graduation cum farewell ceremony of our first batch of Class 10. We are glad to see in our school the visionary person of the school who has set a milestone by establishing Crane School Sherghati on 2nd April 2016. In this journey of 9 years, we have witnessed a splendid change from couple of rooms, some teachers and some children to magnificent world-class infrastructure, 100 plus staff and approx 2,000 students. This has become possible because of your guidance and support, Father James. This has become possible because of the hard work and dedication of 9 years of our principal miss and all our teachers. This has become possible because of support, cooperation and trust of parents on us. We thank all of you from bottom of our heart. And the time has come for the farewell of Class 10. It's not easy to put into words the emotions we all are feeling right now. But let's take a moment to appreciate the time we have spent together. Today we are here to bid farewell to someone who has been an integral part of our Crane School. It's hard to believe that the time has come for them to move on to their new adventures. Your presence, dedication and hard work have left lasting impact on us. While we are going to miss you dearly, we are also incredibly excited for the bright future ahead of you. What we will always remember about you is your qualities like dedication, hard work, positivity and sense of humor, which made our work days better and our challenges easier to overcome. On behalf of everyone here, I thank you for your contributions. You have truly made the difference. We all feel blessed for having you as our seniors. We have learned a lot from you and the impact you had on us will resonate long after you have gone. As you step into this exciting new chapter, we want you to know that we are cheering for you in every step of the way. We wish you all the best in your future endeavors and hope that you continue to shine and inspire others just as you have done with us. At last, I would like to conclude my speech by saying, कुछ सालों बाद न जाने क्या होगा, कौन सा दोस्त न जाने कहाँ होगा, फिर मिलना होगा तो मिलेंगे यादों में, फिर मिलना होगा तो मिलेंगे यादों में, जैसे सूखे गुलाब मिलते हैं किताबों में. Thank you.